Hi everybody, today I'm going to talk about appreciation workshop. Okay, let's start. Vean. Okay, let's go. First of all, my name is Jefferson Andres, and today I'm going to do my pronunciation workshop. I'm going to pronounce 3 times, 2 times, first fast, second slower. First, Susan runs in the park. Susan runs in the park. My cousin studies Spanish. My cousin studies Spanish. How are you? How are you? The elephant is in the zoo. The elephant is in the zoo. The children travel to Rome. The children travel to Rome. My parents are young. My parents are young. We will eat rice and chicken. We will eat rice and chicken. The tomatoes are red. The tomatoes are red. The door is new. The door is new. My son plays the guitar. My son plays the guitar. The teacher teaches Italian. The teacher teaches Italian. Where is he? Where is he? Okay, that's all for today. Thanks a lot.